Tere and welcome back to Estonian language with Tahela. Today we will learn how to say numbers from 1 to 19. Let's start with numbers from 1 to 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see how to say numbers from 11 to 19. This is actually very simple. You just have to add teist to the end of each number. So if 1 is 1, then 11 would be 11. So again, repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now you will see some numbers on the screen. Try to say this number in Estonian and I will give you some time and repeat the number then after you. Yeah? So here we go. 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 19. That's all for now. In the next video we will learn how to say numbers from 20 to 100. So stay with us and thank you for watching. Aitäh!